Hi, welcome to Ice Boy. So we are India's largest ice cube machine manufacturer. These are a few of our products. We have machines ranging from 30 kgs per day, going all the way up to 800 kgs per day. These are our newly launched ice cube crushers. So it can crush around 5 kgs per minute of perfectly chunks of ice. Then we have the same in a tabletop small model, which is around 2 kg. It can crush around 2 kgs per minute. We start with one of our smallest cube ice machine, which gives you perfectly cube ice starting from a range of 30 kgs per day, going all the way up to 1000 kgs per day. Then we have our famous patented bullet ice, vertical bullet ice system. This particular one is a medium bullet, which gives you perfect crystal clear individual cubes. And this is a 60 kg model, which is an under counter machine. Then we have the 30 kg model, which can come in both small bullet and medium bullet sizes. This particular one over here is a small bullet size. Small bullet are really nice, small, tiny, pebble-like bullets, which look almost like pebbles or round glasses in a cup. They look very beautiful, especially for cafes and mini QSR restaurants. Then we have the world's only shot glass ice machine, which gives you a proper glass of ice made of ice, which you can pour around 30 to 45 ml of drink and drink it directly from the ice itself. Over here we have our 100 kg vertical bullet ice system with a large bullet. As you can see, it has a fairly large crystal clear bullet, 18 to 20 gram size, in a very simple vertical flow design. The 100 kg model. Then we have a 125 kg cube ice machine. Then over here we have India's only combi ice machine, which actually can give you both ice cubes of different shapes. Like over here we have it in bullet ice, so it can give you bullet ice and crushed ice both in the same machine. And crushed ice is a very versatile ice which you can use for your cocktails, mocktails, salad counters, pharmaceutical usage, add in the dough for bakery industries. This is an ice machine which can give you the selection of cube ice and crushed ice both in the single machine with a simple flick of a handle. You can select to have bullet ice on one side, or you can select to have crushed ice on one side as per your usage. Then over here, if you see, we have our 800 kg bullet ice machine, which is one of our largest selling machine and gives you super perfect crystal clear large bullet with 18 to 20 gram capacity. This is one of our hero machines, we call it, one of the largest selling machines that we sell in the whole year. Right next to it, we have our 500 kg die size machine. Then here we have two gourmet ice machines of around 85 kgs. The difference is the shape of ice. So in one of them you can get a super perfectly crystal clear gourmet which has sharp corners. So a lot of people who like nice big square of ice. Beautiful, absolutely flawless crystal clear ice with a nice sharp edge. We call it the square gourmet. We launched it in 2024 for the first time. And we also have here the round gourmet, which has been famous since years and years. But in gourmet shape, we have both the round and the square. Both of them have their own purposes, their own usage. It depends on the customer if they prefer the round gourmet or the square gourmet. Over here we have again one of our largest selling machines, which is the 140 kg bullet ice machine, BUZ330. Again, we sell a lot of these machines. Then here we are launching for the first time in India a crescent ice machine in which the ice is formed directly on the copper foils and not on the stainless steel. And last but not the least, we have our half dice ice machine, which gives you half dice for your cafe needs or QSR needs. And this is almost the range of all of our machines. They're all proudly manufactured in India. We have our manufacturing plant in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. We also have a collaboration and partnership with Vesamart in Germany. So they are Germany's largest ice machine manufacturer. Thank you so much and hope to do good business with you in future. Thanks a lot.
For inquiries, visit www.iceboyindia.com or call the given number.